Hi everyone. So today we have here the young author Miss Shiza Alam and her mother, I think, Swaleha Alam, right? Yeah. So
Swaleha.
Miss Shiza has written a very interesting book, and I felt very glad that I could read it. So the book is called The Sunken Treasure, and it's on a very interesting concept. But before that, Shiza, I'd like to know a little bit about you. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old and I'm in ninth grade.
Ninth grade. Okay. So how did you come up with the idea of the sunken treasure?
Uh, I find adventures kind of interesting, and as I've raised 19 cats since past 7 years, so when I put it all together, I found it interesting topic to write about.
It was actually quite interesting, just the account of Meow Land and all that. It was, I mean, as a kid, even I used to think, okay, there would be a cat world and these things would be happening. So, ma'am, did she discuss about this with you, or was it just something she created on her own and she just told Mama, I've written this?
When she thought of this topic, now she came to me and told me that I'm writing a story of this sort. Well,
Hmm.
okay, try it. Let's see what it comes. So when
Hmm.
it is now there.
So she showed the whole draft to you, or she just narrated it like verbally, or how was it?
She showed me all the drafts. She showed me everything. She discussed with me, and then only she writes, "Okay, I'm writing this."
Hmm.
So whether it will go or not, will you okay, try it.
So did you like give any ideas? Ki, okay, this can also be done, or maybe something like that, or how was the whole thing?
नहीं she do it by her. She always does it by her own.
Okay, okay,
वो
that's
मुझे
good.
आके बता देती है कि हाँ ऐसा ठीक रहेगा कि बोले ओके आप करो अपने आप जैसा फिर मुझे बता देना then I'll guide you if I'll find any difference I'll do it
So
definitely.
we have a creative genius between us. So how do you have you been into reading, Shiza, or how has this whole thing been for you?
Um Whenever I ask for a book, my parents always buy it without any second thought, and I've always found reading quite interesting. I like authors like Elizabeth Adami, Enid Blyton, so
Hmm.
I'm kind of hyped by them
Hmm.
too.
Enid Blyton is like quite popular among children even today. So he's written very good books. So that's good. So reading is your hobby, and what else are your hobbies? What else do you like?
I like obviously writing, reading. I like listening to songs. I like painting.
Hmm.
So that's what I do.
So, ma'am, how did you feel when she told you, "Ki, I want to write"? And I mean, what kind of a moment was that for you?
Actually, a few years back, she was in class fifth, I guess. Na? It was my
Hmm.
birthday when she wrote some poetic line on me.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
I was very surprised at that moment ना because वो जिस तरीके से उसने sentence को rhyme किया and
Hmm.
all that I was very surprised because she was too young at that time
Hmm.
being in class 5 and
Yes,
writing
yes.
poetic lines on me.
Hmm.
So I felt very happy. तो
Hmm.
मैंने बोला कि बेटा why don't you try few more poems and all that. तो
Hmm.
फिर तब से उसने कुछ ना कुछ छोटा छोटा 2 lines she always used to write
Hmm.
और मुझे आके दिखाती थी और जैसे कभी कुछ गलती करी सॉरी बोलना है तो वो सॉरी भी वो पोएटिक वे में मुझे बोलती है
Hmm.
ठीक है क्रिएटिव वे में मुझे बोलती है वो सॉरी तो मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा उस वक्त की तो फिर मैंने बोला बेटा जस्ट देखो अगर कुछ और बन सकता है तो करके देखो तो तब से उसने फिर लिखना चालू किया
Hmm.
तो this is actually her second work. First was an anthology. She wrote
अच्छा,
a set of
okay.
20 poems.
Hmm.
Poems. So वो बस ऐसी जनरल टॉपिक था about cats, about me, about her sister, about her dad.
Hmm.
तो मैंने just to encourage her मैंने उसको ऐसे ही, वो प्रिंट करवा दिया था.
Hmm.
तो इतना पब्लिश उस समय नहीं हुआ था. तो मुझे धीरे धीरे आइडियाज हुए कि कैसे करना चाहिए. I thought about then कि पब्लिसिटी में मुझे करना चाहिए. तो then इसके
So,
बाद
matlab, you also write poetry, Shiza? Is that true?
Yes, I do, and It's been in our blood. It's kind of like in our blood. मतलब मेरे नाना भी लिखते हैं और मम्मा भी लिखती हैं, तो
जेनेटिकली है फिर तो कहना पड़ेगा मुझे. That's nice. So would you like to recite any of your recent poetry or something?
I wrote once when जब मैंने बुक पब्लिश करवा रही थी तभी एक लिखी थी, और ये मैं यूजुअली जब भी कोई बोलता है तो सुनाती हूँ. इट इज व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू दिस वर्ल्ड. It's about how selfishly the human beings destroy our mother nature. So it goes like this. What has happened to this world? People are cutting trees. Do they know in the summer there will be no breeze? There will be no nest, no beehives. There will be no nest, no beehives. Do they know they're not cutting trees, they're cutting lives? It goes like this.
That's quite interesting, and I mean it's quite deep for your age. I don't know. When I was your age, I did not even think of all that. Really, I used to think, "Garmi lag rahi hai." That's all. I never thought, but that's really good, and it's actually a highlight of how creative you are and how you can think beyond your years, and it's a very good sign. You will be a very good writer. So on that note, ma'am, would you encourage her to take up writing full time?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Hmm.
Actually, being a mother in this generation and being a teacher, I'm a teacher.
अच्छा, okay.
अपनी ख्वाहिशों का बोझ बच्चों पे डालना, आई डोंट थिंक इट इज गुड. क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे पढ़ने में कैसे भी हो मैम, कुछ ना कुछ अपने लाइफ के साथ अच्छा कर ही लेते हैं. इतना कुछ आजकल डोर्स ओपन है बच्चों के लिए कि सिर्फ एजुकेशन के फील्ड में ही नहीं, बहुत बहुत सारे आजकल, तो हमारे जमाने में इतना नहीं हुआ करता था. इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर्स, टीचर्स, बस ऑल दिस वेयर द ऑप्शंस. बट अब आजकल के जमाने में तो बच्चे कर ही लेते हैं, सब कुछ ना कुछ कर लेते हैं अपने लाइफ के साथ, आई गेस. तो बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली आई सपोर्ट हर. बिल्कुल, जब भी छोटी थी ना, हाँ, बिकॉज इसके फादर आर्मी में थे, तो बचपन से हमको शौक था कि शिजा एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन करे. तो बहुत कुछ करते थे हम लोग इसको इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करने के लिए. जैसे कहीं जा रहे हैं हम, तो फ्लाइट में अगर हैं तो इसके फादर इसको कॉकपिट में ले जाके सब दिखाते थे. वी यूज्ड टू बाय रिमोट कंट्रोल एयरप्लेन एंड हेलीकॉप्टर सो दैट शी कैन क्रिएट इंटरेस्ट. लेकिन उसका इंटरेस्ट कहीं और था, तो फिर हम लोगों ने बोला कि व्हाई नॉट, अगर इसमें इंटरेस्ट है तो बिल्कुल आप जाइए, क्यों नहीं.
वो तो है. If she's interested in this field, then yes, definitely she should go for that. So on that note, let's get back to the Sunken Treasure. So could you tell me a little bit about what the book is? Because I have read, but I think the viewers would like to know.
This book is about, it's an adventurous and kind of a thriller kind of book. It revolves around our main character, Snowflake Cute Paws. She is a singer, and once she found once she came to know about a treasure map, so she went on an adventure with her two more good friends, and then they found the treasure, and that's it.
Pretty interesting. So can we expect a sequel or something like that in the future?
Yeah, we can. I'm thinking about something else.
Or maybe something new that you have in mind to write.
Right now, I'm writing a suspense comedy kind of story.
That's interesting. So again, would there be animals in it, or this time you plan to work with humans? How do you plan to go with it?
This time it's not going to be a fully fictional kind of thing. It's going to be based on human activities.
Okay. Great. So ma'am, how was the journey of getting the book published? Because I'm pretty sure you were the one who was taking it on the forefront, because she's obviously very young to make that happen. So how did you happen to, how was it? Yeah.
Actually, इसने जब लिखी ना ये स्टोरी, तो मुझसे बोल रही थी कि मामा पब्लिश कराएंगे. पब्लिश शी वाज इन क्लास 7 लास्ट ईयर की बात है. तो ये वो लिखे हुए इसको 6 मंथ हो चुका था. तो ये मुझे लास्ट टाइम जहाँ पब्लिश कराई थी तो मुझे उतना, जैसे आपसे जब मेरा कांटेक्ट हुआ, आई फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि पब्लिकेशन भी आप देख रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग प्रमोशन आल्सो यू आर लुकिंग इनटू। बट जहाँ लास्ट टाइम कराया था इट वाज जस्ट कि प्रिंट हो गया था एंड आई गॉट द कॉपीज, बस, और नथिंग एल्स वाज देयर।
Okay.
लेकिन इस बार मुझे लगा था कि थोड़ा बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म में आई नीड इट। सो आई वाज सर्चिंग, मैं सर्च कर रही थी गूगल पे कि कहीं मुझे पब्लिकेशन, आई वाज सर्चिंग द पब्लिकेशन इन भिलाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। लेकिन मुझे
Okay.
इतना कुछ ठीक नहीं लगा कि मैं भिलाई इसलिए चाह रही थी कि फेस टू फेस बैठ के हम एडिटिंग वगैरह कर सके, तो वो ज़्यादा मुझे कन्वीनियंट रहता। बट यहाँ भिलाई में मुझे कुछ ठीक से मिला नहीं, तो आई केम अक्रॉस योर पब्लिकेशन। सो आई
Okay.
कॉन्टैक्ट हुआ, फिर बात हुई मेरी, फिर सारा कुछ मुझे पता चला कि ये सब भी हो सकता है। ठीक है, पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म में भी आप ही वो करेंगे, गाइड करेंगे हमको, ये सब चीज़ पता चली। तो फिर बस फिर आगे बढ़ गई बात और हम आज यहाँ पर हैं।
That's very nice. So, Shiza, did you have any particular group of readers in mind when you were writing the book, or you just wrote it because it was all your imagination? How did you, did you have any audience in mind in particular?
I think I recommend this book to from ages 8 to 13 because the kind of adventure it has and how fictional it is. I think that would be fun to read.
But I would say that I'm not 13. Okay, I'm much more. But even I found it very interesting. I had just began with it. I was like, okay, Sunken Treasure sounds like a treasure hunt kind of a thing. Just by the title. And then when I just started reading it, I could not even leave it for a second. I thought, okay, I have to finish this and I have to reach the end. It was that interesting even for me. So how did you come up with the title, The Sunken Treasure?
Nowadays every kind of adventure is like going to a cave or going there and there. It's very common. I wanted to get something unique. I think sunken treasure, deep under, somewhere else, not somewhere common, would be great. So that's why.
And it's, like, even though it's written, but it sounded very graphical when I was reading. I mean, I could imagine everything in the form of a picture kind of a thing. So were you inspired by a movie or a web series or something like that? Or did you have anything like that in mind when you were writing it?
I've watched a lot of movies, adventure movies like Uncharted, and I've read books of Elizabeth Adami. So I was quite inspired by them.
Ma'am, have you observed any other interests in her apart from writing and reading?
She's laughing at BTS. She's crazy about BTS. Oh my goodness.
That's nice.
BTS. Myself and her sister tease her a lot. BTS, she's crazy. She's mad about BTS. So, बाकी सब interest है. She's good at cooking. She loves cooking.
Wow.
Very much.
She's so talented. I mean, I'm really thinking really, today's kids are so talented and they're so multitasking, and it's pretty good to, come across such young minds, and they're so creative and they're so good at everything practically. She's even good at studies, she's good at writing, she's good at cooking. She even has a definite taste in music, so it's amazing. So, Shiva, how has your book performed so far? Have you gotten any reviews or any responses from the people?
Few of my relatives have read it and they said that they liked my imagination
Okay.
and the way I put. They liked my vocabulary and stuff.
And what about your friends? Have you recommended it to them? Have they read it?
I haven't even gave it to my friends yet, but I gave it to my teacher and she liked it.
That's nice. So, do you plan to pursue literature or anything like that? Ma'am, what do you suggest?
Yeah, she'll definitely go with the literature. और किसी subject में तो interest नहीं. She's not interested in maths, science. I think she's only interested in arts and all. So definitely she'll go with literature in the
That's
future.
great. That's great. I'm from literature, so yes, I'm endorsing you. Yeah, go for literature. Chalo, it was a great session and great to know you, Siva. And I really wish you all the best. And I hope that you bring so many laurels and accolades to your name and you may write more such books. And I'm pretty sure children are going to absolutely love your book. I'm very confident about that part. I mean, adults, I don't know because everyone has different tastes. But children, I can assure you, they're going to love cats and Meowland and cats talking and all that. That was pretty amazing. So great to connect with you. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. And
Thank you so much.
I hope you get all success in this and the upcoming publications.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Bye bye.
Bye.